In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Hisense subwoofer is not pairing with your Hisense soundbar. If you have this problem, I'll show you a few solutions. So the first thing you need to do when this is happening is to turn off both of these devices. The subwoofer does not have an on-on switch, not this model, and probably not your model as well. So simply unplug it. All right. Wait until the blue light turns off and then you can plug it back. For the soundbar, go ahead and turn it off and then on again. All right, now the next step is to go on your subwoofer and to find the pair button. This model has the pair button on the back, but maybe yours is on the side or on the front. All right, every Hisense subwoofer has one of these pair button, and you're also going to see a blue light. The blue light signifies that if it's blinking, they're disconnected, and the light should stay blue without blinking to show you that they are connected. So what do you do at this point is you're going to take your remote control, or you can do the same thing on the soundbar. We'll need to keep press this button over here, the button that you switch the inputs on your soundbar. You can do the same thing on the remote control since the button is present on the top right corner. So all you have to do is to keep it pressed and wait. If your soundbar has a display,
subwoofer pairing,
you're gonna see subwoofer pairing. Once you hear that, you can lift your finger and now keep press this pair button. Keep it pressed, don't release it.
Subwoofer paired.
Until you see subwoofer paired, then you can release your finger and they should now be paired again. And if your button was blinking, if the light was blinking, now it should be lighted in blue without any flashing. So this is about it. I hope this solved your issue. Hopefully they will not disconnect in the future, but if they do, well, you'll know what to do, how to connect them back. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if it helped, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.